Ah, the microwave. The quick and easy way to reheat meals. Whether you're doing meal prep or simply eating some leftovers, it's the default go-to for many folks, but it can rarely match other cooking methods. What if there is another way that's almost as easy and convenient? There is. And it's your handy-dandy air fryer. Today I'm going to show you how to reheat your meat in your air fryer. Using an air fryer to reheat meat offers several advantages, especially if you're looking to keep the meat moist and flavorful. The air fryer's hot air circulation ensures even heating and helps retain the juices of the meat. It's also a time-saving option, as it can reheat your meat faster than a traditional oven, making it perfect for those busy weeknights. To get started, we're going to reheat some lamb chops I had made earlier. For how to make these lamb chops, check out the link in the description for the instruction video as well as the full recipe. First, take out your meat and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes at room temperature. This will allow the air fryer to cook the meat evenly. Next, lightly coat your meat with some extra virgin olive oil. If you're reheating something previously fried, you can skip this step. Next, preheat your air fryer to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 176 degrees Celsius. Once heated, place the meat in the air fryer basket. Set a timer for 5 to 10 minutes, depending on the thickness of the meat. Halfway through the cooking time, flip the meat. Once the timer has expired, check the temperature of the meat using a food thermometer. Experts recommend that it should reach a temperature of around 165 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure food safety. If it hasn't quite reached the target temperature, as you can see here, continue to cook in the air fryer in 1-minute increments, flipping over each time and rechecking the temperature. Once fully cooked, plate and let it rest for a few minutes before serving. If you'd like to know how to make the lamb chops that were featured in this video, link is in the description. And if YouTube's working right, the video should be popping up right about now. If you liked this video, consider clicking the subscribe button if you haven't already. I'd like to see you in the next video. Until then, enjoy your real, simple, and healthy life.